welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. So today's video is going to be all about my aloe vera juice. I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade aloe vera juice and how I moisturize my hair with it. So first, I'm gonna collect aloe vera leaf from my plant. Like so. She also gonna need a leave-in conditioner. You can go for any leave-in conditioner of your choice. She's gonna need any oil of your choice as well, but I'm going for my olive oil. She's gonna need water. You can go for tap water and a spray bottle. And of course, you're gonna need a blender as well.
On the track.
So now that we are done blending it, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in my spray bottle. If you have a strainer, you can go ahead and use it, but I never use it. So this is how I do my aloe vera juice, and then I'll also add my olive oil in my leave-in conditioner. And I forgot to show you guys, I also use rose water. We'll put just a little. So, this is our aloe vera juice. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, please just give me a thumbs up, because I'm gonna need your support. Thanks for watching. Bye. So this is how I make my homemade aloe vera juice, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, please still give me a thumbs up, because I'm gonna need your support. Thank you so much. Bye. So this is my aloe vera juice, and now I'm gonna show you guys how I moisturize it with my hair. So I do this every morning before I go out or before I start with anything. I will spray my hair with my aloe vera juice. Now I'm gonna show you guys. So if you wanna know how I do this, please just keep on watching. So and I do this morning and when I'm going to bed. So this is how I moisturize my hair with my aloe vera juice, my homemade aloe vera juice. Thanks for watching. Bye.